Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is to take off one of these tailgates if you don't have the locking system. So let me show you really fast. So that's how easy and fast it is to steal one of these if you don't have a lock on your handle, on your tailgate handle. Alright, so let's get started. Something I want to try to do is, Yep, that thing is not coming out that easy, so that actually does help. Yep. So that's about it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this, and like the video, subscribe and share it, and I appreciate y'all for watching this. Have a good night.